Haba na pa ang buhok ko. Ba yan, Jun? Wala na pa ano. Sabi niya, bro. Masisira na naman. Abay.
Hindi maano, hindi mahigpit eh.
No?
Maganda ka.
Yung ano nga. Yung parang ganyan na ano papel dapat. Di ba pwede yun? Ano ba ginamit mo?
Ito na. O, punutin niyo.
Hindi yan.
Tela, may tela pa tayo.
Tela. Yan.
Di ba may mga tela tayo?
Wala.
Pwede daw yung rag curly.
Ito mo.
Ito, ganito.
Ang pangalan.
Dahil pa daan.
Ito. Bulak na.
Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hoy, padaan.
Tamahan ka?
Aray ko. Aray.
Ayan, parang ganito ka kapal. Nipisan mo lang, ganun.
Ganda na pala.
Ayan. Tapos ihilap mo.
Ako na kuha niyo. Nahihirap buhay. Ang ganda mo pag ganun. Diba, Nina, ang ganda niya po po.
Binigay na lang sa kanila.
Maganda yung pag-ibig niyo ba?
Nakalansi.
Wala ka na dun. Diba? Dapat mo.
Nasa bakla pala.
Hindi na
Bayad
lang
na
baka
ako sa trabaho.
meron pang main
Hindi na masyadong malaki yan.
Pakita mo naman ako.
yung papel mo.
Hindi mo na makita ko eh. Sabi ko na konti.
Ang labas.
Suka. Suka, meron po. Suka, diba? Red. Suka.
Ayoko, dito lang ako.
Hindi, kasi hindi makikita yung map. Ano makikita? Ewan ko sa kanila. Ewan.
Ba yan? Fiesta.
Parang nakatuto sa kwarto. Ganda-ganda mo.
Kulang naman na. Ano ka lang? Wow. Nice.
Si Lovely Makais may pinagagawa.
Oo.
Baka kati-kati na ilong ko.
Hindi na, masikip. Dapat pala ng kaunti. siyang nabuti. Nagawa ko sa sarili ko. Bakit?
Kailan matatatanggal? Ako dyan, love, para maano mo.
Yun ang gusto ni Kuya. Nag-enjoy siya sa buhay.
Yeah! Yeah! Sinasabi ko, ganito nga. Tama ka, ha? Pati ganito, ha?
Bigyan mo ng award sa
Oo, bigyan mo siya ng award. Itong 7 lang. Award mo sa akin. Okay.
Chill ano siya?
Shell pan. Pan.
Ganyan?
Hindi na. Hindi.
Yes.
P.
Hindi. Di pala.
Bayan.
PH.
Yan na. Andali lang. Baba mo.
Dali lang? Susulat.
Baba mo.
May bago siya.
Baba mo. Hindi yan. Yung pa yan, hindi.
Bakit ba? Ito oh. Ito yung sasabi ko sa'yo. Sa kotse siya.
Hello everyone, it's time for another on-the-go review, but this time with drugstore foundations. And we're going to be heading over to CVS to find the right foundation for you.
Dapat iba
A little information about foundations. Foundation is one of the key essentials to makeup because it's what gives you that adhesive base for your makeup. It's really what evens out your skin tone and really sets your makeup. So finding the right foundation is just as important as finding the right skincare products because you have to find the right foundation that fits your skin type. If you have oily skin, you have to find a foundation that's formulated for oily skin or dry skin, normal to combination skin, aging skin, etc. So foundation is really important. You have to find the right one. So I'll be giving you guys some really quick reviews on which foundations are really good to use for your specific skin types. So I'll see you over at CVS, and don't mind my dirty hands because I just got off a class and I was doing charcoal drawings, and they're really hard to wash off, so I don't want you guys to think like I'm not taking care of my hands or anything. So I'll see you guys at CVS. Bye! Alright, so here we have Almay's Line Smoothing Makeup, and this foundation is excellent for people who are just starting off with foundation, who needs a really light coverage. It gives you that dewy look without making it look like you have makeup on. And it smooths out your line, thus the name, and it's great for dry skin, so I really recommend it for people who want that really natural looking skin. And oh, here we have Almay's Smart Shade Makeup, and this foundation is really something because when you squeeze it out, the foundation is actually white and it turns flesh.
Yan yun.
Oo, alam ko. Napanood ko na yan eh.
Weh.
This tutorial will show you how to take something simple like brown paper bags and curl your hair with them. Yep, just with paper bags. Start off with damp hair, not wet hair because that will soak the paper, leaving it useless. And make sure it's tangle-free. Get a few paper bags ready, and of course, I had to use my Hello Kitty bags. I think every Asian girl likes Hello Kitty. It's like loving rice. Now take your paper bags and strip them down vertically. My poor Hello Kitty is not gonna like this.
Taga-san ba siya?
With a pair of scissors, cut the ends off. Snip. Now your paper bags are ready. Okay, Get your hair ready too, because we're gonna start rolling. Oh, and don't forget to tie half of your hair up. Get a small section of your hair ready.
Oh, yan.
The magic is gonna begin.
Ano ba yan?
Take your paper bag
Ayan.
and wrap it around your hair like so. Here, I'll come up close to
Happy
show you.
birthday.
Pull it down
Aray!
and twist the hair around it until you have a V-like shape.
Sakit!
And while the hair is still wrapped in the paper, start rolling up your hair.
Ah!
I'll show you again. Basically, you just wrap,
Yan. Tapos
pull down, twist, secure, and roll. Roll upwards and make sure your hair is evenly rolled.
Ano na? Sarap.
Labi.
Ayan
Tie
o.
the two loose ends in a knot.
Yan ginagawa namin sa'yo.
Now, you're gonna do this until you have no hair left to curl.
Oh.
If you're at a friend's house who owns no hair curling appliances, or if you need to give your hair a break from the heat, without sacrificing beautiful curls, this tutorial is definitely for you.
Parang naman may ganito.
It just comes to show you that simple things in life can really come in handy.
May checkpoint ba ito kailangan?
Tapos po, matutulog ka ganyan na. Diba natutulog si Michelle? Tapos
Now I have the bottom section
bago
finished.
nagising na siya,
It's time to take down.
Pag hindi lang siya nakulot,
Trim the bottom tips of your hair so that the split ends does not split up to your roots. Remember, keep rolling, rolling, rolling.
para na siyang baso.
Parang sabi parang nagkakabasa.
The more you do this,
Mukha na rin ba ang baso
the better you get.
Ang flower. Kasi nakita yung flower, oh. Ayun, oh.
talaga.
Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Nakikita mo. Ayan.
Badin.
Ano ba?
Talagang badin.
Hindi ako pati.
You'll start to notice that your paper curls will look better near the end because you've had lots and lots of practice.
Yay!
And if you can't tie it in a knot, you can always twist it.
Paper bag. Michael Jackson.
Ito bago na. Huwag ka muna magulubi.
Nataas mo kasi. change. For once in my life, we follow each other all over, you know. 'Cause we got nowhere to go. And I know what you got to know.
Ayan na lang. Tapos na. Sa baba lang. Ano na yung hulog? Ito, hulog.
Ano ka na?
Hindi ka lang, huwag kang madali. Buti po. Hindi maganda, dapat pag ano eh, hindi yatang straight.
No.
Labi, ano ba yan?
Wala. Kamusta?
Ay, tingnan.
Ay, nagkakambal ako dito. Ayun! Baboy!
Lapis na.
Walang clip.
Bakit?
Saan?
Hindi na mahuhulog yan.
Bakit? Wala akong clip. Ano ba yan, baboy? Ito?
Ilapi naman eh.
Camera, action na. Camera.
Stop na natin. Ito na po yung finished product. Ano ba yung game?
Ang bawal na.
Paano makikita?
Ay, taba! Taba mo! Taba mo! Taba mo! Ano ba yan? Sabi ko taba mo eh.
Ano na naman?
Itaba mo yan. Yan, yan, yan.
Yan.
Teka
lang! Ito naman pa kay Lamera eh.
Nakita ko taba ko. Nakita ko taba.
Meron ba?
Teka. O, dali tumalikot ka para makita ko.
Ayaw nga eh.
Bakit ayaw?
Naka-video yan.
Eh, naka-video pala eh.
Hala!
Ano kaya naka-video eh?
Baso!
Kaya hindi nga. Hindi ko na nga makita eh. Madali na.
Panis ka, panis.
Picture! Wow!
Ako din ng TikTok.
Ba't natural lang?
Ayaw ko sa'yo. Wag ka na matin.
No, babe. Nikot niya yung mata mo, babe. Mama mo?
Ayan. Ang ganda ko dun.
Wala ka na mukha.
Hello. Wala yung kakambal ko. Ano
Wala ba yan? Ano ba sa
Hala yung mata mo. Yung mata niya, isa mo sa
Ano? Ba yan? Wala.
Parang abnormal.
Buntis na ako.
Ano?
Ayaw. Yun. Yun na, tapos na.
Bye!
Ayaw ko magbabay.
Bye na, bye na.
Ayaw.
Bye na.